how to set up Palworld's dedicated server. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up Steam and then open up the library of Steam. On the top left hand side corner, you will be able to find it. Just click on the option of games and software right beside library option on the top left hand side corner. It is a drop down menu, and after that select the option of tools. Under tools, you need to search for Palworld, and there you will be able to find the option of dedicated server. Just simply select it, install it, and it will be installed in your C drive of your computer. Simply open up C drive of your computer, then go to the option of program files, then open up Steam. And in the Steam's folder, you will be able to find the option of Steam apps, and just simply open it up. There you will be able to find the option of common. Open it up, then open PAL server. There you will be able to find the option of default Palworld settings. Simply open it up as text editor, then copy all the codes that you find under it and get back. Now open up the PAL folder, and under that you will be able to find the option of saved. Simply open it up, then open config, and then open Windows server. And under this you will be able to find the option of Palworld settings. Simply open it up as text editor, then paste all the code that we just copied from our previous folder, and this way you will be able to add the server. Now just simply launch this particular server using the option of PAL server, and instead of starting a new game, simply join the multiplayer option, and this way you would be able to join the server that we just created. And for your friends to join up this server, you will have to enable port forwarding, and for that you will have to open up the settings of your IP address. Simply open up the IP address settings and there enable the settings, and this way your friends will also be able to join up, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.